Do you know many people are having trouble with pairing additional units to their TP-Link AV1300 Powerline Adapter? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Prepare adapter. Prepare the new adapter by writing down the 16-digit Powerline key. Plug it into a wall socket and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Step 2. Open TPLC utility. Install and open the TPLC utility on your computer, ensuring it is connected to the Powerline network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Step 3. Add device. In the TPLC utility, click on Add Devices and enter the 16-digit key for the new adapter. Save to add it to your network. Step 4. Confirm connection. Wait for the new adapter to appear in the TPLC utility and confirm its connection to the Powerline network. Step 5. Verify LEDs. Verify the new adapter's LED indicators show it is properly connected. Rename the device if needed for easier identification. Step 6. Repeat process. Repeat these steps for each additional unit you want to add to your network. After completing these steps, your additional units should be successfully paired with the TP-Link AV1300 Powerline Adapter. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other TP-Link users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.